I just had a pickles, chips and guac, salsa, pita chips with Zoog, and avocado toast. I think that's a balanced meal. I am driving to Home Goods right now. Home Goods just opened up down the street on Saturday when I was at Outside Lands. I literally had an alarm set for it. Like, it was like, Home Goods grand opening. Going there right now, and I am going to do my kitchen. The kitchen, it's kind of hard to do. Like, I would love if this episode of me doing my kitchen could be like from like the ground up, like picking the backsplash, the sink, just everything, you know. We are renting, so it's not completely customizable. However, I'm gonna make do. So the backsplash right now is kind of like these like green and tan diamonds, and it's not the worst, but it's not the best. I mean, of course, every millennial wants their perfect like marble and steel and just like aesthetic kitchen, and I'm one of those people, but I'm gonna accept this as a challenge. I just got in here and I can already tell that this is going to be a dangerous store. Also, well, that was kind of a bust. I think I had really high hopes for Home Goods. I don't know if you guys have ever been into a Home Goods, but it is merchandised terribly. There's really no organization to it. There's just shit on shelves, and that's about it. So I couldn't film in there, and I know in my last video a lot of you guys were saying that you wanted to see like more of the shopping process in the stores. I will try my best, but it is so hard to film in stores, especially in LA. I feel like they're so hyper aware of it. Now I'm gonna go to Bed Bath & Beyond, and I need to get a coffee maker and like an espresso maker or something. I don't want to get a Keurig though. I'm so tired. I think I need food. I feel like I didn't get it all. I feel like this video is definitely not going to be done tonight. These are the 3 little like jar thingies I got. So I couldn't find like perfect sets of 3, so I kind of had to make do. They're gonna look cute either way. I mean, I guess I could put pasta. I don't really eat pasta though, so maybe like quinoa. That was the most LA thing I've ever said in my life. Actually, not at all. I mean, I kind of wish they were bigger. I feel like I have like a lot of like space, but let's see what they look like pushed behind. They're too small. They're too small. I need to return them. They're too small. I also got a toaster because if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I tried to make avocado toast, but we didn't have a toaster, so I had to do it literally on a stove and like flip it like a tortilla. So I got this because I bought a loaf of bread, and like I would have waited to get a toaster because I don't know. I guess there's no reason to wait, but I bought a loaf of bread so I didn't want it to go bad. So I had to get a toaster so I could eat my bread before it went bad. Then I also got some knives. I got pots and pans. I was gonna get like a big set because I know like you're probably getting a better bang for your buck, but like I just don't need a 10-piece set. Oh my god, I've been wanting these for so long, a cast iron. I love cast iron skillets. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I literally feel like if you cook in them, your food tastes better. I don't know what it is, if it's like the texture that gets all the little juicy loosies from other foods. I guess that's kind of gross. As far as what I just got today, it seems like a lot of the stuff I got will be inside of the cupboard, so it's not necessarily decor, it's kind of just like essentials. I just don't know how to decorate this kitchen, and it's breaking me heart. It's breaking me heart. Okay, next day, I just got back from Marshall's. I don't even know what I bought. Like I said, I'm just so lost. So what I did is I bought a lot of plants. When in doubt, buy plants. I don't know. I have a good idea. I think I'm gonna put this plant like right here and hang it because I feel like this corner is like hella big. Like it's literally like 2 of my arms and it's hard to fill. The way I'm going right now, to be completely honest with myself, I feel like it's the easy way out. It's the just like the basic like farmhouse like Pinterest kitchen, and I like that, and it's beautiful. It's just, it's been done before and it's kind of basic. I think it's still gonna look really good. Like honestly, just like taking everything out of the bags and just having everything I bought sit on the counter made me more excited. I'm gonna set it up and let's see how it looks. That's like the only thing that's done. Cute. I guess I should tell you where I got everything. So Target, Marshalls, Cost Plus, Target, Marshalls, Target, Marshalls, 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 Target, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. And then Scott's mom got us this. This spot isn't doing it for me right now. I'm gonna hang this one too. And then I'm gonna paint this white real quick. I have this weird thing when I get like new appliances, I have to like let it run through once. Like I clean everything, like get all the like factory chemicals off of it, and then I let it run through once. And I kind of consider that cup of coffee as a contaminated cup of coffee. I'm probably fucking crazy, I don't know. Let's make some coffee. Okay, so it's brewing right now. I got a cup of ice, gonna pour it over to ice, and then I'm gonna froth some almond milk. I don't even know if it's frothable. It said you can froth it cold. Oh my god, it's quiet. Is there such thing as over frothing? I don't know why, you can make it by the glass. I don't know why I use this giant thing. Bitch. Oh, I don't care if it's contaminated, I'm trying it. Holy, I'm literally never going to Starbucks again. I literally just made a Starbucks cold foam cold brew. I shouldn't even be drinking this, it's like 8 at night. Today started a little, you know, I just didn't know where it was going, but now I feel really, really good. I'm excited to show Scott. Look, it's what? It looks so good. See you in the morning, kitchen. I love you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so this is coffee. It originated in Starbucks. I just got a coffee maker. And guess where I put it?
In the bathroom.
In our new kitchen.
We have a new kitchen?
Well, old kitchen, but I decorated it and I want you to see it.
I'm drinking my morning coffee because I'm getting ready to have the best reaction ever. I'm gonna look at paintings and be like, whoa! I'm gonna look at appliances and be like, hot damn!
3, 2, 1.
I'm so nervous right now. Nice. This is really cool. This is awesome. Have a good day, motherfucker. Yeah, can we have that up here every single day?
That's why it's there.
And a little succulent.
Nope.
Whoa! Holy shit, we got a green kitchen, bro. I actually like these. These are sick. We got fucking succulents here, succulents here, succulents here, wheatgrass right here that we can chop up and turn into little shots of wheatgrass in the morning.
It's fake.
Then why the f is it here?
I actually want to put real ones in it.
This so I can open my beers in the morning? Check this out.
No. Babe. This actually was in the house when we moved in, so that was from our landlords.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Does this say treats?
Yes.
And Link doesn't even know it yet that this is the sound. She's used to this sound.
Oh.
What's in that?
That's popcorn, pasta, and flour. Thought it'd be cute if we had a like, cute little popcorn night.
We have popcorn night like almost every night, but we use
like,
this popcorn.
Fresh popcorn.
Boom chicka pop, what's holla at me. Wait, let me do that again. I'm trying to be like George Lopez. Boom chicka pop, hello.
Wait, what?
One more time.
When did George Lopez do this?
Look, he didn't. What's that?
That is coffee on the left, tea bags in the middle, and sugar. And then
Do either
mugs.
one of us put sugar in our coffees?
You do.
No, I don't.
Do you love it?
0 out of 100.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaking awesome is this room?
Probably give it a 9.
A 9. What would you change?
I like that it's decorated in their stuff, but in this case, unlike the bedroom, it does seem a little excessive. I don't like sugary sort of things being left out on the counter.
Ooh, I do. I love it. I felt like this kitchen needed stuff because the space from like here up is so large and there's such big counters that like I needed to fill it up.
High five. Nice kitchen. I like it.
That is it for the kitchen. I'm feeling pretty confident. Again, like I said in my last episode, there's probably gonna be a lot of changes to every mood. What? Mood swings. There's gonna be a lot of changes to every room after we live in it and kind of realize what works and what doesn't work. I would say that it turned out a lot better than I thought. I definitely thought I was gonna be stumped to a point where I either wasn't gonna get the video done in time because Scott and I leave tomorrow for like 2 weeks. I'm excited to come home after these next couple weeks of travel and just finally live in it and make my first cooking with Kristen and cook my first homemade meal in here, and it's gonna be a good time, you guys. But I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed episode 2, and I think the next one I'll be doing is probably gonna be my living room because my couch is coming in a couple weeks, so we'll see how it rolls out, but it might be my living room. If not, it'll be something. I still need to do living room, the outside patio, the man cave, and then Scott's office and my office. I still don't know if Scott wants me to do his office or if he's just gonna do it, but we'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you. I don't know about next week. Again, I'm gonna be out of town, but we'll see. I'll see you next time. Bye.